monsoon storm affected the town of Gila Bend, located within Maricopa County this weekend. Flash flooding caused damages to private property, power outages, and roadway and drainage systems. At least 2 people died in the flood. Governor Doug Ducey announced the state would issue a declaration of emergency, allowing for up to $200,000 for recovery efforts. The state and local officials are working currently together in response to the flooding. A flash flood warning by the National Weather Service remains in effect until early Tuesday morning.